Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am going so out of my comfort zone, but I'm very excited about it because I'm going to be trying out the A Colors Pink Mascara. So I love LA Colors, I love the color pink, and I love trying out mascara. So this is going to be really fun, but I'm not sure how I'm going to like the way this looks on me, but we're going to find out. This is just going to be playing around with makeup. So this was actually sent to me in PR, a really fun PR box. So this is not a sponsored video, but I always like to give a disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free. But this is cruelty-free. It's Bold Lash Mascara. I'm hoping that it will actually show up with some good pink color. So first, let's check out what the wand looks like. Oh my gosh, this wand is huge. This is like one of the biggest mascara wands I've ever seen. And look at that pink color. I mean, it is true pink. I'm so excited right now. I have pretty light lashes. I don't have anything on my lashes right now. So I think this might be able to show up on me. Let's just jump right in and find out. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is really pretty. Not my favorite wand. I will say it's kind of tricky. A little messy, but I truly have some pink lashes going on right now. What do we think? I feel like from a slight distance, maybe on camera, like it's coming across as if I'm wearing pink eyeliner with no mascara. Like, it's not like a flattering look to my eye, but it's really pretty. Like, it's not a completely opaque pink. And yeah, the more I brush through, the more the lashes are sticking together. So it's not a very like good mascara for the lashes in a sense where like it's volumizing, separating, curling, none of that, but it really does give a pink hue to the lashes. I actually kind of want to see how this would look on top of a black mascara to just maybe put that fun pink twist on it. So I'm just going to reach into my drawer of mascaras here and pick out a random one. Okay, I pulled out the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. So I'll just put a quick coat of this black mascara on the other eye. Ooh, and while that dries down, I actually kind of want to try the pink mascara on the lower lashes. Maybe that would be a fun way to put a fun pop of color into the makeup look in a more subtle way. So first, let's try it on this eye where it's all pink. I mean, it's like so pretty to me, but just a little hard to see. It doesn't do too much to enhance the eyes, but I love this shade of pink and it's just really fun and different. But so let's see here on this eye with the regular black mascara. Let's see what we think about pink on the lower lashes. Like, it's very hard to see, I'm sure, on camera, but it's so fun. Okay, let's see how it layers on top of a black mascara. Definitely hard to see. It's only giving like a fun little tint of pink. So I would wear this. Just a fun, subtle look. Fun way to wear pink. Really, it doesn't like, it's definitely not very noticeable, but it's pretty easy to pull off if you just wanted to add a little extra fun surprise of color to the makeup look. I like it layered on top of the black as well. It almost makes it look more like a toned down, not super dark black, maybe more of like almost a navy mascara effect, kind of. So yeah, this was fun. That's what I was hoping to get out of this, was just like a fun experience. See how I look with pink lashes. It's a fun kind of costume makeup product, I suppose. But if you have any ideas for uses of this pink mascara that I could try, let me hear about those in the comments down below. I would love to get some ideas. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.